an original recipe for the beer. Otherwise, we wouldn't have anything because of this fire. The reaction of people to the beer and the way the beer tastes is one of the most fun parts of this. And they've been really excited about drinking it in this space with all the Heyrich Brewery memorabilia. So they're drinking, they have a piece of the story in their hands while they're looking at the history.
Georgetown, best of all old Georgetown beer.
That's tremendous.
I like that.
I'll take a 12-pack, please.
Yes.
Just to send it on down.
I mean, before meteorology, I was a history major, so that's appealing.
I heard you were a beer major.
Well, I became one. I didn't like it in college, but
Okay.
I like
Not
it
that
now.
you studied it.
No, I never studied. Well, I kind of
Got
studied
involved with it. We have gone off the rails.
Yes, we
Talk
have.
to us about the weekend.
Okay, so you know what happened this morning at 11:54 a.m.? Summer arrived. Okay, the summer solstice, which means summer standstill. What does that really mean? Here's meteorologist Howard Bernstein.
And now, Howard in space.
Oh, hi. Didn't hear you there. You know, it's around this time every year that everyone gets all hot and bothered about the summer solstice. People saying longest day this, start of summer that. And Howard, I've already told you I don't want to see your mercurial barometer. Anyway, so what even is it? Well, forget everything you think you know about the solstice, because I'm here to shout some solstice sweet nothings into your head holes. First off, for the astronomers, this isn't even close to scale. I'm just not this big. But we don't have just one, but two solstices. We'll start with the winter solstice. It's our winter solstice in the northern hemisphere because of the tilt of the Earth. So that happens in late December. But down under in the southern hemisphere, it's summer in Australia. For us, our summer solstice happens 6 months later, once the Earth takes half an orbit around the sun. And then because of the tilt, the northern hemisphere is seeing the sun's rays most directly overhead. So we have the day, not the longest one, but the one with the most daylight, hence our summer solstice.
You know, we've already lost a minute on the front end of the day, but the sun will continue to set at 8:37 right on through July 5th. So there you go. All right, temperature-wise, our next few days, just spectacular. Low 80s tomorrow is a great way to start summer, first full day. 86 on Sunday, 90 on Monday, and then we're right around 90 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, we can't keep the 90s at bay for long. I mean, it is getting to be late June, but still a great start to the weekend. And a great start at the beach, too. We're looking at temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s, or upper 70s to near 80s. So upper 70s tomorrow and Sunday, around 80 on Monday. And we're looking at temperatures generally a little bit below average for those folks. Water temperature now upper 60s to low 70s. Okay, for us, we haven't changed it. 83 on Saturday, gorgeous. The only thing I will say, could be a couple of showers south and west of town between 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. You know my solution to that? Sleep till 10. You're fine. Upper 80s to mid 80s on Sunday, but not humid. So still a fantastic day. So add it up like this. Great weekend, warm days, cool nights, not humid. And then heat and humidity slowly return again on Monday with a few storms. We'll monitor Monday for our next yellow weather alert. And then staying hot all next week, temperatures upper 80s to low 90s. So not exactly record setting, but a little bit hotter than our really sweet weekend. So here it is at 7 o'clock in the morning. Futurecast has actually pushed these showers a little further south and pushed the clouds a little further south, which I think I'm kind of more in agreement with. So a couple sprinkles possible, maybe as far north as Culpeper and Fredericksburg early in the morning. But then by 10 o'clock, it's great. Perfect time to get up. 71 in D.C., 71 in Frederick, 69 in Gaithersburg. Now by 1 o'clock, we're in the upper 70s, and I think some of the northern burbs will hold in the upper 70s tomorrow for highs. That's kind of unusual for us this time of year. 75, 76 in Gaithersburg, 74 in Damascus, 76 in Manassas and Bowie. And then by evening, maybe date night is tomorrow night. Spectacular. 6 o'clock, it's around 80, but it's not humid. That's the key. It's going to feel fantastic. And remember the sunscreen this weekend, because it's going to be so cool, you're not going to feel yourself getting cooked, and you will get cooked quickly. Remember, 18 minutes, you can get a sunburn. That's all it takes. 68 in Frederick tomorrow night about this time, and 67 in Manassas, and we'll go all the way into Sunday morning. By Sunday morning, another cool start. We're looking at 50s and 60s again tomorrow night, so by 7:30, 8 o'clock, temperature still 66 in D.C. and probably upper 50s in Damascus, only around 60 in Frederick and Gaithersburg. So we're looking at a great stretch here. 83 tomorrow, 86 on Sunday. And again, we'll monitor Monday for a yellow weather alert. We don't see anything like we saw earlier this week. We don't have a cold front or a stationary front hanging out with us. So there'll be widely scattered storms. Same deal on Tuesday, low 90s. And we hold around 90 Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I did not put a little thunderstorm there. I could have. They're going to be few and far between. Really the best chance for our next